The mirror? Because I don't want glass shards in me. Oh.
Hey.
Hey.
The washing machine's not working.
What do you mean?
Washing clothes. The clothes washing machine,
Yeah.
and it's not working.
How?
I press the button and nothing's happening. It's not going.
What'd you do?
Just put my clothes in shirts and t-shirts and stuff.
What's actually broken about it?
I press the button and nothing's happening.
Press the button.
Yeah.
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 What about it's not working?
Press the button. Take the clothes. Press the button. Nothing's working.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's plugged in.
Go check it right now.
Oh.
You look at a guy like me, 20 years old, just entered the real world. Look at my hairstyle.
Yo, yeah, it's plugged in. Yeah.
Yeah, but is it on at the wall?
You go, I know he's going bald early as hell. Oh yeah! Hey guys! It's me, John Subaru. You can use some tips and tricks to help sell your car at
Yeah,
Marketplace.
it's on. It's on.
It's on.
Yeah, it's on. Could you come have a look? Because I can't
move. Let's go.
can't get to work.
What'd you do? What's wrong? There's nothing wrong with it.
Well, press the button. Press the button.
It's not turning on.
Yeah, so nothing's happening. Basically.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
Well, it's not. Like I said, it's not working.
Turn it off. Jesus Christ.
Like I said, it's not working. So
Oh, this thing's gonna fucking blow
I
up.
don't know. I don't know why it's not. Could you fix it?
What'd you chuck in there? Hello.
Hey. Oh. I don't remember.
It's okay, mate. I know you're sick. Let's go. Have something to eat. I'll fix it.
Alright, thanks. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
Don't seem so proud. Just another angel in the crowd, and I'm walking in the Wild West End.
Hey, keep recording. Come here. Bring the camera closer.
Oh my god, my butt.
Hello, thank you for watching this recent little short Gorb video, but not a short, but it probably will be a short if Noah makes it a short, which he probably will. Thank you for watching. As always, please like and hit the subscribe button and
Make sure you hit that notification bell
And hit
we'll
the-
get more Gorb content.
and hit the notification bell as well.
I said that.
Court video is still coming. I'm probably going to release this video before I release the court video because I want to do this. I want to edit this video first. So that's going to come soon, but this video's out first. Anything else to say? Okay. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
You're gonna. Just don't do that. Oh, you fucking gross.
What?
Get that into your something.
What? What?
Oh, I stopped it before you did that.
Aww. Hey, you got a wet wipe?